This OXO Agility Series 8 inches frying pan is like a trusty sidekick in your kitchen. It helps you cook your favorite meals with ease. The ceramic nonstick surface is smooth like glass. Food slides right off, and cleanup is a breeze. You can even put it in the dishwasher. This pan is also oven safe up to 600 degrees F. Imagine baking a frittata and then serving it right from the pan. The OXO Agility Series 8 inches frying pan heats up quickly and evenly. No more hot spots that burn your food. The stainless steel handle stays cool to the touch. It feels comfortable and secure in your hand. The rims are designed to resist chipping. This means your pan will look great for a long time. It's a reliable product for everyday cooking. It can handle your morning eggs or even heat up some leftovers. This OXO Agility Series 8 inches frying pan is also induction suitable. It works on all kinds of stovetops. The black color looks sleek and modern. It will fit right in with your other kitchen decor. While it doesn't come with a spatula or a pad, it's a fantastic addition to your cooking tools. It could even be a thoughtful gift for someone who loves to cook. Perhaps even in Canada. It's not electronics, but it's a vital part of any kitchen. The OXO Agility Series 8 inches frying pan is a dependable choice for your daily dash of cooking. For anyone looking for a solid, everyday pan, the Wadillo Nonstick frying pan skillet is a great choice. It's a fantastic addition to your own kitchen. Plus, it makes wonderful gifts for the chef in your life. Its convenient size is ideal for many recipes, and its durability ensures it will be a stock item for years. While it doesn't have a huge capacity like larger pots, its 10-inch size is perfect for daily meals. There is no legend to decipher. It's simply a well-made, reliable pan. Forget about sticky situations and enjoy easy cooking with this Wadillo Nonstick frying pan skillet. Pros: nonstick surface, no harmful chemicals, works on induction stoves, heats up quickly, heats evenly, strong steel handle, edges resist chipping, easy to clean in dishwasher, safe to use in oven, good size, 8-inch, sleek black color. Cons: induction suitable, stainless steel handle, dishwasher safe, oven safe, black color. 8-inch size, Agility Series, chip-free rims. Features: 8-inch size, ceramic nonstick, PFAs free, induction ready, even heating, steel handle, chip-free rims, dishwasher safe, oven safe, black color. This 8-inch OXO Agility Series frying pan has a smooth ceramic nonstick surface, so food will slide off easily. And it's made without harmful, forever chemicals called PFAs. It works on all kinds of stovetops, even the ones that use magnets called induction. The pan heats up quickly and evenly, which helps your food cook better. It has a strong stainless steel handle that is easy to hold. The edges of the pan are made so they won't chip easily. You can wash this pan in the dishwasher, and it's also safe to use in the oven. It comes in black and is a good size for cooking smaller meals. This 8-inch OXO Agility Series frying pan is a sleek black nonstick skillet that's great for everyday cooking. It's made without harmful chemicals and works on all stovetops, even induction. The pan heats up quickly and evenly, and its stainless steel handle stays cool while you cook. Designed with chip-free edges for durability, this pan is also convenient to clean in the dishwasher and safe to use in the oven.